This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make an easy chili dog sauce. We'll start by gathering all your simple ingredients, like ground beef, tomato sauce, and a few common spices. Then, you'll brown the meat thoroughly in a skillet, ensuring it's cooked through before we add the other components. Finally, we'll simmer the sauce for about 15 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together perfectly for a delicious topping. For this fantastic sauce, you'll need 1 pound of ground beef, ideally 85% lean, for the best texture and flavor. Grab 1/8 ounce can of tomato sauce and about 1/2 cup of water to create the perfect consistency. Essential spices include 2 tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of onion powder. A small pinch of cayenne pepper can add a delightful, subtle kick. Let's get cooking. First, brown your 1 pound of ground beef in a large skillet over medium heat, breaking it into small, uniform pieces as it cooks. Once the meat is fully browned, carefully drain any excess grease. This step is crucial for a less oily sauce. Next, stir in the 8 ounce can of tomato sauce, the 1/2 cup of water, and all your pre-measured spices. Bring this mixture to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Now for the final touch. Allow your chili dog sauce to simmer gently for at least 15 minutes, or even up to 30 minutes for deeper flavor development. Remember to stir it occasionally to prevent any sticking to the bottom of the pan and to ensure even cooking. Before serving, taste the sauce and adjust any seasonings as needed to match your personal preference. Finally, spoon your warm, homemade chili dog sauce generously over your favorite hot dogs and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.